Now we will see the code gen part. This is the in the official website. If you go, simply search code gen. So they have provided the documentation about what what it will do um, for the code gen part. But basically, you have to provide a website address here for the code gen. Um, hold on. You have to provide a file name also where you want to keep your, generated code, right? So it's like capturing the test flow and then saying, okay, store the code into a particular file. It's like this. Okay. Let's run this thing as of now. Let's see what will happen. I am going back and I will run directly this without doing anything. NPX Playwright Codegen. If you see here, two different uh, panel is open. One is browser and one is Playwright Inspector. Okay. And the basic code is already there. Now, whatever I will do in this application, it will be stored as a code here. It will show. So I am clicking here and I'll say that brush up, brush up. First task. Second task, I want to do yoga. Then take tea, breakfast, enter. That's it. And then I want to do something. So this is inspector window provided by Playwright itself. A lot of things you can do. See here, you can pick the locator, you can assert the visibility, you can assert the text, you can assert the value, you can assert the snapshot. As of now, I will assert the visibility of uh, three items left. So I will click here because three items is done. So I am saying assert visibility of this. Now, if you see here, let me maximize this. It has generated the Playwright code for that particular test flow. It's saying get by role. And yeah, it is based on locator. Basically, it's like locator filling that brush up. Then I press the enter. Then I said yoga, then enter. Then I filled this thing, then this. Then I said this thing should be visible. So it has picked some other things. I was trying to get it because it was on the same line. In the application, it was on the same line. So it did it for this. But actually, I wanted to do for this particular thing. Okay, but it's fine. There is a problem with the application itself as of now, but it's fine. Till now, it's fine. You can anytime start recording, stop recording. You can say that, hey, I want this code in Java, JUnit. So if I select it, this will the Java code. I can say I want this in MS test or NUnit, let's say. So this is NUnit code for the same test flow. I will say I want Java Python. So I can say PyTest code will be this. JSON L is also one of the thing nobody is using it. It's like this. By default, it's Node.js. This code I can use directly in my test code and I can execute it. This code will definitely will work because it is given by Playwright itself. So I don't think that it won't work. But at the real thing, at the real time, this is not the command which we should run. Let me close this CLS. Basically, you should provide the file name where you want to store. So after the code gen, the file name parameter is also there, which you can give that it should generate, let's say, checkout test.spec.ts or something like that. So that, and then your URL from where you want to start. It's like this, base URL. So it's like this, but I'm finding out, mm, not this. Yeah, let's Google it. I don't want to put the wrong syntax. That's why I'll just Google it. Codegen Playwright syntax to store script. Yeah, script file, let's say. Test generator. No, no, this is going. Yeah, this one is also fine. You can see this video. They have provided the video for that. And the same thing they are doing basically. This is test generator. Yeah, same thing. They're describing the same thing. I want not this. I want for some other website. Um, just to see. Have you guys used it? Generally, we don't use it, but yeah, we should know that it works like that. Fine. Sometimes there is a complex flow and you don't have much time, then you can use it, okay, to generate the code. So yeah, this is different. It is pet store. So how they have executed it? Where is the command? Where is the command? npx playwright code gen and then this website. Yeah, but I was thinking one more parameter will come. This is very simple. npx playwright codegen and the website which you want to run. You don't have to say https slash pet store. It's like you directly say this. It will work fine. My concern is not this. There is one more parameter which you can provide to give the file name also. Let me see here in Medium. I am checking. Yes, no, it's saying you can provide it the full, that is also fine. But, but they are not providing the file name. I'm sure that you can provide the file name also, which will be, stored there. So let's see the help. Can I say npx playwright code gen? The spelling is fine for the code gen. Yeah, code gen, Codegen. Code gen hyphen hyphen help. No, no, no. It will start run. Yeah, help is there. Great. So, what are the things you can provide? See here, hyphen O. I was talking about this. And then file name you can provide. In fact, you can say that my targeted language is JavaScript, so that it will automatically store that thing. So let's use this hyphen O. It's there. Okay. Let me hit enter. CLS. And this time we'll say, hey, run bstack demo only. Let's do the same thing. Here, let me log out. This one we will run, this one, but I will say here, before this, I think here, hyphen O, and my file name is codegen demo.spec dot ps. Okay, I am running this code now. Let's hit enter. Unknown command. Okay, okay. My bad. There should be space in between. So I have not put the space here. Now let's run this. See here, it is opening bstackdemo.com. And now whatever I will do, let's click to the offers. Okay. Then I will select uh, some user. Okay. To see the offers, basically you have to log in. So I'm doing all the things. Then don't worry about it. Then there is no offer. So I want to check. Please enable geolocation in your browser should come. Okay, no. As of now, it's a special case, but let's go to the favorite. And it's saying there is no favorite user because you have logged in through demo user. Let's go to simply all the product only. Or do log out. Log out. That's it. Now, if you see the code, this is generated, whatever you have done. BStack demo, you went there, then you tried to go to the offer, then you provided the username and password, then you clicked on the login again, then favorite, then log out. So whatever we did, it's coming here. If you see here, locators, there also you can put the locator and check whether it is fine or not. This is a good functionality here. So for example, I'm here now and I will say uh, this one, right? So whatever way I want to, let's say I want to check one anchor element which has text is equals to orders. I'm just checking that. So if I hit enter, if it is correct, it will highlight here. If it is correct, as of now, it's not correct. Let me inspect it. Then it will come. Hold on. Let me inspect this order. This is anchor element. ID is orders. Okay, okay. Hold on. So if I'll say @ID is orders, and if you will hit enter here, okay, it will highlight that here. It's like this. Generally not useful, but yeah, you can explore about these things. Okay, so you can check it then and there. There are a lot of things here like picking the locator and asserting it that I have shown you, right? Then there is some asserting snapshot also. I have not used it. Check it what it is. That's it. When you will close this thing, I think automatically this time it should save the code in framework. Let's see where it has. See, no, Codegen has it create this one. See here, it has created Codegen demo spec.ts. Yeah, so the flow which we have recorded, the code is this. It's like that. So it is useful initially when you want to write the code in a very fast way for the simple flow. But when you write the complex flow, your own dynamic thing, then generally it is not much useful. Okay.